A splash page is a short and attractive website meant to lead people onto a main destination, for example, a homepage. Launching a good splash page is quick work. We'll show you how to have yours in under 5 minutes. First, sign up for your free Strikingly account. Then pick a template you like, such as Simple Cover or Simple Splash, and you'll be taken into the site editor. Let's start with the call to action you want on your splash page. So all our sites are made up of sections. We've got different sections with buttons, sign-up forms, and so on. Let's add a button section here, and then delete the other default section since our splash page only needs one. Let's also hide your section link from showing up in your site navigation, as that's not really needed with only one section. Now, edit your button message and link it to the main destination that your splash page will lead to.